Hey, what's up guys? Himanshu here, and today we are gonna check out the Mercusys Wi-Fi Range Extender. We'll see its performance along with the speed test results. So let's get started. So I wanted a range extender around 1000 rupees and got this one for 1100 on Amazon. This is a 2.4 GHz only model, and if you don't know Mercusys and thinking what a local extender I bought and should have gone for TP-Link or D-Link, no. Mercusys is a sub-brand of TP-Link only, and they provide same products with a cheaper price tag. Yeah. So let's unbox this one and check how the product really is. We get a very low cost kind of packaging here, and the main product is literally in an egg tray. Let's take it out. The product quality is looking good. They have used some good quality materials, and no one can say that this is a cheap product. On the top, we get a reset and WPS combo button, and on the back, we have some model details, serial number, and other stuff. Then we have our external antennas, which can be opened like this. We get three external antennas actually to get a better range. And you can even point out the antennas like this to direct your Wi-Fi signal in a specific direction. So without wasting any time, let's plug this in and set it up. So you have to plug it in a wall socket directly. And we got a red LED light on the front. Let's check if we got any Wi-Fi signal so that we can connect to this extender. Okay, we got Mercusys connecting. Now we have to go to mwlogin.net to start the setup. And here it is asking to set up a login password. Then it is scanning for Wi-Fi networks in the range. And I can see my Wi-Fi network home on the top. Now we just have to enter the Wi-Fi password and it will get connected. Also, there is an option to set a separate name for this extender and you can even hide the SSID. Let's make it home underscore ext. And it is connecting. Okay, we got a green light on the extender, means it is connected now. So let's switch the Wi-Fi in our phone to home ext. We have to enter the same password as our main Wi-Fi here. And we are connected now. And I'm not much far from the main router, but there's a wall in between. So let's check how much speed we are getting here. Okay, we got 36 Mbps with this. Now let's connect to the main router and check how much we get there. I am now connected to the main Wi-Fi home and the speed we are getting is around 50 Mbps directly from the main router, which is 14 Mbps more than the extender. But let's not judge it yet. Now we will move to the first floor to check how it performs in the long range. Now I am on first floor and while the extender is getting connected, let's check how much speed we are getting directly from our main router. So we are getting around 46-45 Mbps speed directly. Let's switch to the extender and see how much speed we get. So too bad. On the extender we got only 23 Mbps speed, which is almost half what we got directly from the router. I am testing it one more time just to be sure, and this time we got just 19 Mbps speed. I did not expect this kind of low performance from this. Now let's move one more floor up and check how it performs. So we are on second floor now and connected to our main router. And the speed we are getting here is 10 to 11 Mbps. In case you are wondering which router I am using, just click on the I button and check it out. Now we are connected to our extender and doing the speed test. Again, we are getting almost half the speed comparing to our main router. This is disappointing. Now, the main conclusion is that with cheap price tag comes a cheap quality product. And I'll not recommend this product to you. It is better to spend a little more and get a better range extender. Or else you can even buy a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router and connect it with a LAN cable if it is possible for you. So that's it for today guys. Hit that like button if you like this video and tell me in the comment section below which Wi-Fi extender you want me to test next. And subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.